In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can view YouTube in desktop mode on your iPhone. Viewing YouTube in desktop mode on your iPhone can provide a more comprehensive user experience, offering access to features not available in the mobile version, such as advanced settings, better resolution options, and a fuller interface for managing playlists or channels. To do this, simply head into Chrome browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. On your home page, access the YouTube site. Wait for it to load. On your YouTube home page, you will have to tap on these three dots on your bottom right corner of the screen. Navigate onto the option of Request Desktop Site. Your YouTube home page will reload and the desktop mode will get enabled successfully. You can easily access the YouTube advanced settings and more. That's how easy it is to enable desktop site while on YouTube mobile. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.